If you're choosing between the Shark Turbo Fan and Dyson, watch this before buying, because this isn't just fan versus fan. It's value for money versus premium design. Shark Turbo Fan focuses on strong airflow and practical performance at a lower price. Many buyers like that it delivers powerful cooling without the premium price tag. That makes it attractive for people who simply want effective airflow and good value. But here's the catch. It doesn't have the same premium design, ecosystem, or extra features that some Dyson models offer. Dyson takes a different approach. Many of its fans combine cooling with extra features like air purification, smart controls, and a more premium design. That makes it appealing for users who care about aesthetics and additional functionality. The downside is cost. Dyson products often cost significantly more than competing fans. So which one should you choose? Choose the Shark Turbo Fan if you want strong cooling performance for less money. Choose Dyson if you want premium design, extra features, and smart functionality. Bottom line, Shark often gives better value for most buyers because cooling performance is already strong without the premium price. But if you want the additional features and design experience, Dyson may justify the higher cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.